What if the reason you're hungry again just 2 hours after eating isn't that you need more food, but that you're choosing foods that digest too quickly? Sugary breakfasts, refined snacks, and sweet drinks can leave you chasing hunger all day, but certain foods can slow digestion, stabilize energy, and help you stay comfortably satisfied for hours without loading your diet with added sugar. The secret is combining protein, healthy fats, fiber, and nutrient density. These nutrients take longer to digest and can help reduce the constant urge to snack between meals. And when your meals keep you satisfied longer, controlling portions and avoiding sugary cravings can become much easier. You're not fighting hunger every hour. You're building meals that naturally work with your appetite. Today, we're counting down 11 powerful no-sugar foods that can keep you full for hours, while giving your body valuable nutrients. And when we say no sugar, we're focusing primarily on foods with no added sugar or only very small amounts of naturally occurring sugar. Stay until the end, because some of the simplest foods on this list may be among the most effective for controlling hunger. Protein-packed and incredibly satisfying. Eggs are one of the simplest foods you can eat when you want lasting fullness without added sugar. A large egg provides high-quality protein, along with fat and essential nutrients, creating a combination that digests more slowly than a sugary breakfast. Instead of starting your morning with a rapid energy spike, eggs can help create a steadier, more satisfying meal. Protein is especially important for appetite control because it generally produces greater satiety than carbohydrates alone. Eggs can therefore work extremely well when paired with vegetables, avocado, or another fiber-rich food. That combination gives your stomach more volume, while protein and fat slow the digestive process, helping you avoid the familiar feeling of becoming hungry again shortly after breakfast. Try boiled eggs as a quick snack, scrambled eggs with spinach, or an omelet packed with vegetables. Just be careful with sugary sauces and processed toppings that can turn an otherwise no added sugar meal into something very different. Keeping the preparation simple gives you one of the easiest high-protein foods for staying satisfied through a busy morning without constantly reaching for snacks. Creamy, protein-rich, and hunger-friendly. Plain Greek yogurt can be surprisingly filling because it contains considerably more protein than many traditional sweetened yogurts. Choose an unsweetened variety because flavored versions can contain significant added sugar. The thick texture and protein content make Greek yogurt an excellent option when you want something convenient that still feels substantial. Greek yogurt works particularly well because you can turn it into a balanced snack instead of eating a sugary dessert disguised as health food. Add chia seeds, walnuts, cinnamon, or a small portion of berries if desired. The protein from the yogurt combined with fiber and healthy fats from the toppings can slow digestion and create a much more sustained feeling of fullness than sweetened yogurt eaten alone. When shopping, read the ingredient list rather than trusting words like healthy, light, or natural on the package. Plain yogurt may still contain naturally occurring lactose, but it should not need added syrups or sweeteners. Choosing a high-protein unsweetened option gives you an easy breakfast, afternoon snack, or evening food that can satisfy hunger without pushing you toward another sugar-heavy snack soon afterward. Fiber-rich and loaded with satisfying fats. Avocado contains very little sugar while providing a powerful combination of fiber and monounsaturated fat. That matters because meals containing fiber and fat generally digest more gradually than meals dominated by refined carbohydrates. Adding avocado can make an otherwise light meal feel much more substantial and may help you remain satisfied for considerably longer. The fiber in avocado adds bulk to your meal, while its healthy fats increase richness and slow the pace at which you eat and digest food. This combination makes avocado especially useful with eggs, salads, grilled chicken, or whole food bowls. Instead of depending on sugary dressings or processed sauces to make a meal satisfying, avocado provides natural creaminess together with valuable nutrients. Portion size still matters because avocado is calorie-dense, so you don't need an enormous amount to receive its benefits. Half an avocado added to a protein-rich meal can be enough to increase satisfaction dramatically. Mash it onto a plate with eggs, cube it into a salad, or blend it into a savory dip. It's a simple way to add fullness without adding refined sugar. Crunchy, portable, and surprisingly filling. Almonds contain protein, fiber, and unsaturated fats while naturally containing very little sugar. That combination makes them completely different from crackers, cookies, or sweet snack bars that can disappear quickly without creating lasting satisfaction. A small portion of almonds requires chewing and provides concentrated nutrition, making them a convenient option when hunger appears between meals. The protein and fiber in almonds help make a modest serving feel more substantial, while their fat content slows digestion. This can be especially useful during the afternoon, when many people automatically reach for something sweet as their energy drops. Pairing almonds with plain Greek yogurt or eating them alongside a balanced meal can increase satiety without relying on added sugar to make the food enjoyable. The key is choosing plain or dry roasted almonds instead of honey-coated, chocolate-covered, or heavily flavored varieties. Those versions can transform a naturally low-sugar food into a dessert-like snack. Measure a reasonable portion rather than eating directly from a large bag, and you'll have an easy food that delivers crunch, nutrients, and staying power without creating another cycle of sweet cravings. Tiny seeds with serious staying power. Chia seeds contain an impressive amount of fiber for their size, along with healthy fats and some plant-based protein. When mixed with liquid, they absorb moisture and develop a gel-like texture that increases volume. This makes chia especially useful for building meals and snacks that feel more substantial without needing added sugar or heavily processed ingredients. Their soluble fiber absorbs water and helps slow the movement of food through the digestive system, which can support longer-lasting fullness. Add chia seeds to plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened oatmeal, smoothies, or homemade chia pudding. Because the seeds expand when hydrated, even a relatively small serving can noticeably change the texture and satisfaction level of your meal. For an easy, no-added-sugar chia pudding, combine chia seeds with unsweetened milk, cinnamon, and vanilla, then allow the mixture to thicken in the refrigerator. You can add a few berries if you want natural sweetness without turning it into a sugary dessert. Chia is a perfect example of how increasing fiber can make a simple meal feel dramatically more filling without needing more refined carbohydrates. High protein and built for fullness. Plain cottage cheese is another excellent option when you want a satisfying snack with no added sugar. It provides a generous amount of protein in a relatively small serving, making it particularly useful between meals or as part of breakfast. Its thick, substantial texture also encourages slower eating compared with many liquid or highly processed snacks. Cottage cheese contains slowly digested dairy proteins, including casein, which can help make it especially satisfying. Pair it with cucumber, tomatoes, black pepper, herbs, or a handful of nuts for a savory snack that combines protein with additional fiber and healthy fat. This creates a much stronger defense against hunger than reaching for pastries, cereal bars, or other rapidly digested foods. Choose plain cottage cheese and check the label, because flavored versions can contain added sweeteners. Like other dairy foods, cottage cheese naturally contains a small amount of lactose, so the goal here is avoiding added sugar rather than claiming every dairy product contains absolutely zero sugar. Used correctly, it can be one of the easiest high-protein foods to keep in your refrigerator for sudden hunger. Protein-rich, sugar-free, and deeply satisfying. Salmon combines complete protein with beneficial omega-3 fats, creating a meal that can keep hunger under control for hours. Unlike many processed lunch foods, plain salmon contains no added sugar unless it is covered in a sugary glaze or sauce. Its rich texture also makes a reasonable portion feel satisfying without requiring a huge plate of food. Protein supports satiety, while the fat naturally present in salmon slows digestion and gives the meal greater staying power. Pair salmon with roasted vegetables, leafy greens, or another high-fiber side, and you create a powerful combination of protein, fat, fiber, and volume. This type of meal can help prevent the rapid return of hunger that often follows lunches built mainly around refined bread or pasta. Bake, grill, or air-fry salmon with lemon, herbs, garlic, and spices instead of using sweet barbecue sauces or sugary marinades. You'll still get plenty of flavor while keeping the meal free from unnecessary added sugar. It works beautifully for lunch or dinner, and leftovers can be added to salads the next day, making satisfying, protein-rich meals much easier to prepare consistently. Lean protein that keeps hunger quiet. Chicken breast contains virtually no carbohydrate or sugar when eaten plain, yet it provides a large amount of high-quality protein. Because protein is highly satiating, chicken can form the foundation of meals that keep you satisfied far longer than refined carbohydrate-heavy dishes. The difference comes from what you pair it with and how you prepare it. A grilled chicken breast alone provides protein, but combining it with fiber-rich vegetables and healthy fats creates a much more complete hunger control meal. Think chicken with a large salad and avocado, roasted vegetables with olive oil, or a vegetable bowl topped with sliced chicken. These combinations slow down the meal, increase chewing, and provide greater volume without relying on sugary sauces. Avoid assuming that every chicken dish is automatically low in sugar. Teriyaki sauces, sweet chili sauces, barbecue marinades, and some bottled dressings can contain surprisingly large amounts of added sugar. Season chicken instead with herbs, paprika, garlic, lemon, pepper, or other spices. Keeping the preparation simple preserves chicken's biggest advantage: clean, satisfying protein without unnecessary sweetness. Fast, lean, and packed with protein. Plain tuna is one of the most convenient no-sugar foods for controlling hunger when you don't have time to cook. It provides a concentrated source of protein with virtually no carbohydrate, which makes it easy to build a satisfying lunch in minutes. Tuna can turn a simple bowl of vegetables into a much more substantial meal without adding refined sugar. Mix tuna with avocado, plain Greek yogurt, olive oil, herbs, or chopped vegetables instead of relying on sugary bottled dressings. Adding fiber and healthy fat alongside tuna's protein creates a more balanced meal and gives your stomach both volume and slowly digested nutrients. This can help keep you satisfied through the afternoon instead of searching for cookies or vending machine snacks an hour later. You can add plain tuna to lettuce wraps, salads, cucumber boats, or vegetable bowls for an easy meal that requires almost no preparation. Choose tuna packed in water or simple ingredients, and watch sauces included in flavored varieties. Convenience often leads people toward highly processed foods, but tuna proves that a quick meal can still be protein-rich, filling, and free from added sugar. Fiber plus plant protein in one food. Edamame stands out because it provides both protein and fiber, two nutrients that work extremely well together when your goal is lasting fullness. These young soybeans contain very little sugar and have a dense, satisfying texture that requires chewing. They're an excellent option when you want a plant-based food that feels much more substantial than a typical snack. Many snack foods provide mostly refined carbohydrates, but edamame gives you protein, fiber, and important micronutrients in the same package. Fiber adds volume while protein increases satiety, creating a slower, steadier eating experience. A bowl of steamed edamame can therefore be far more satisfying than chips or crackers, even when the portions look similar at first glance. Steam edamame and season it with a little salt, chili, garlic, or lemon, or toss it into salads and vegetable bowls. Frozen edamame is also easy to keep available, which removes the excuse that healthy food always requires complicated preparation. For anyone wanting more plant-based protein while reducing added sugar, edamame is one of the simplest foods to keep on regular rotation. Mineral-rich, crunchy, and hunger-satisfying. Pumpkin seeds pack protein, fiber, and healthy fats into a small serving while containing very little sugar. Their combination of nutrients makes them a useful alternative to sweet granola, candy, or processed snack mixes. Even a modest portion can add substantial texture and staying power to yogurt, salads, vegetable bowls, or a simple afternoon snack. Pumpkin seeds also provide important minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron, making them more than just a convenient source of calories. Their protein and fat can help make meals more satisfying, while their crunchy texture naturally slows eating because they require more chewing. That gives your body more time to register the meal instead of consuming a soft, sugary snack within minutes. Choose plain or lightly roasted pumpkin seeds rather than versions coated with sugar, honey, or sweet flavorings. Sprinkle them over plain Greek yogurt. Add them to salads, or combine them with almonds for a simple homemade snack mix. When you want something crunchy without triggering another round of sweetness, pumpkin seeds can give you satisfaction, nutrition, and convenience in one small package. Staying full isn't about eating enormous portions or forcing yourself to ignore hunger. It's about giving your body foods that provide protein, fiber, healthy fats, and enough substance to digest gradually. Eggs, salmon, Greek yogurt, avocado, seeds, nuts, and other whole foods can make meals dramatically more satisfying while helping you reduce your dependence on foods loaded with added sugar. You also don't need to eat all 11 foods every day. Pick 3 or 4 that fit naturally into your routine and start building meals around them. Maybe eggs for breakfast, chicken and avocado at lunch, Greek yogurt with chia in the afternoon, and salmon with vegetables for dinner. Small changes like these can make controlling hunger feel much easier and far more sustainable. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so more people can discover these simple nutrition strategies, and subscribe to Healthy Grams for more practical videos about foods that support better health, steady energy, and healthy weight management. Then tell us in the comments, which of these 11 foods keeps you full the longest? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.